Akong ikasulti ni Kuya Loy, no? He's like a father, a teacher, and a best friend to me. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you sa tanan-tanan nga akong nakatunan diha nimo. And happy birthday, Kuya Loy. We love you.
Happy birthday. Mga ka-idol kita ka. Latin o standard, no? Kaya kung kasulti mo karon nga birthday ni mo, Juan. Nawag ka po kung tagaan pag may panglawas kung taat, no? Kung niya, magbalipayo kasi mo ang life. Ya, ay ka po kung kalimtig tudo, ya. Latin o standard, ha? Baka idol di ta kalaya. Ya, meron ako kasulti mo yan, ya. Happy birthday. Bro.
Hope na happy kasi yung birthday sa this coming Wednesday. I'm sorry sa times na dili ko ka-attend during sa meeting or sometimes dili ko katulog. But anyways, kanang happy ko na kanang nakaabot pa jud ka ani na day. Keep up the good work and kanang may God bless you always and more blessings to come. Thank you and God bless. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday, Tito! Thank you kayo dito sa tanan. Sa iyong guidance. Sa iyong for giving me the opportunity to be in the dance sport team. I love you. For kanang thank you. Basta thank you lang yung kay Sana. Nag-improve na ko sa kayong story. Basta thank you. And I wish you all the best of life. Happy birthday.
Bro, again, happy birthday, ha? Then, thank you kay Sir Ron sa tanan na inyong ipagtulog na ako sa mga technique. Kunya, na ako yung mga partner. Ha? Standard.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Daghang salamat dito kanang pagtabang nimo nako. Encourage ko nimo nga mo join diri sa dance sport karon as sa kapamilya sa dance sport. Tawag ko salamat nimo ya. Happy birthday ya. Salamat kayo.
Good day. Hi, Kuya. Nagpasalamat kay ko nimo. Thankful kayo kung part ko sa dance sport. Through this, kay na-express na po akong passion, which is dancing. On your birthday, Ron, this is your birthday.
Hi, Tito. Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. And I would like to thank you for all the things you have done for me, Gabi, and for all those years that has passed. Thank you so much. I have also considered you as one of my father, and I would just like to wish for you. I would like just to wish a true happiness.
Hello, happy birthday. How old are you, Kuya? By the way, thank you kayo sa mga tudlo, Kuya. Although, lumang kayo sa practice na niya. Happy birthday once again. Idol ka na, Kuya.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Thank you for sharing your talent with me during the competition last July, and you know, it meant a lot to me. And basta thank you. Sorry, I can't be there tonight. And Kuya, hopefully, kung ma-third episode, kay kuwang pa ko projection. Happy birthday!
Salamat kayo sa inyong mga tudlo o sa inyong mga pagdawat ang madiri. Kay nami kay nakuha.
And thank you, Tito, for everything, for believing in us, and for encouraging us in everything. We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ha. Salamat kay sa tanan sa mga imong i-share na mo sa pagtudlo. Labi na karon sa akong nabdan, sa akong naibawan about sa sayaw. Daghang kayong salamat niya.
Go.
Hi! Hello, yeah! Ito naman, this Jean. My favorite mate. Yeah. Happy birthday. I love you. I'm your sexy Carrie, Jeanette. Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. And thank you for taking us, your son and daughter. And thank you for teaching us. And Tito, sorry kayo sa nga makta ko nimo and marto Tito niya. Salamat sa imong gihatag nimo nga technique sa among sayaw og salamat kay Tito. Thank you. Happy birthday Tito. Bye-bye.
Salamat sa kanal mo cover ako. Dilip kay ko nimo eh. Yung ka na start. Nawa ko. Ikaw good. Happy birthday up. We love you all.
Salamat jud ko ninyo. Labi na ni Ate Mamay. Happy birthday kayo kuya.
Ako kuya, good evening po. If you don't know, one of my dreams in life is to become one for Team Cebu. And I want to say thank you to you kuya for giving me the chance to compete that sport in Manila. And this would be a great opportunity for me to prove what I've got. And thank you kuya because I feel like this is one step to achieve, it's stepping stone to achieve my dreams in life. Thank you po kuya. Happy birthday.
Hi kuya. Thank you so much for molding us to become great dancers. I hope you will mold more aspirants, kind children para at least na mo follow sa footsteps na super good idol kay ka sa tanan. Hindi lang kay ako, kaming tanan, idol kay ka na. Happy birthday to ka.
Good evening. Today is your birthday. And thank you for giving me an opportunity to compete. Not just here in Cebu, but also
Yeah, thank you for everything. Best wishes. Happy birthday.
There you go.
Rod, happy birthday. Make the most of it while we can, because life is a little short. Just kidding, a joke only, to make you smile. Once again, happy birthday. Wish you more blessings and good health.
Hi Tito, kanang happy birthday day Tito. Then thank you kayo sa patience mo Tito. Kanang magtuto ka na ubitan dahil kayo mga ulo. Happy birthday Tito!
Happy birthday, ha?
Go.
Happy birthday, Loloy!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday
all!
What burning delegate. O ako kibaw nga ang pusuting man niya kana wish na ko nga you find happiness and peace. God bless. I love you.
Go.
Hi pa.
Hi,
Hi,
Tito.
Tito.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday. And thank you kayo sa tanan nimong gibuhat sa atong mga nahitabo sa tuwa. Salamat sa imong guidance ako. Karon thankful kay ko nga nabalik na ka dire. And daaday sulti si Roy nimo.
Hi pa. Happy birthday. First of all pa, I want to say sorry pa for both of us. Then, ako nang gibawi akong gi-text mo sa una niya. Amot, gadamot ko gadamot sa guwato pa. Then, ang samugod.
Balik na sa tani.
Then, thank you sa inyong pag-support na ko kabisag. Nag-away ta. Then, once again pa, sorry. And happy birthday. And God bless.
Hello, Kuya. I hope that we will have many 100 more years to come. Ay, saba. 100 more years to come.